Experiencing frequent internet dropouts with Rogers? You're not alone. These disconnections, where your internet briefly cuts out and then reconnects, are often due to two main culprits: DHCP lease issues and RF interference. DHCP, or Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, is how your modem gets its IP address. Rogers modems typically renew this lease every 24 to 48 hours. If this renewal fails due to server overload or misconfigurations on Rogers' end, you lose connection. RF interference is noise affecting the coaxial cables Rogers uses to transmit data, especially in older cable setups. Sources range from microwaves to faulty wiring, causing packet loss and disconnections. Signal-to-noise ratio and modulation error ratio are key metrics. Aim for SNR above 30 dB and MER under 1%. Bottom line, these issues cause those frustrating, intermittent outages. All right, let's get to fixing it. First, the basics. Reboot your modem and router. This often resolves temporary DHCP glitches. Check all cable connections for tightness and damage. Next, use the My Rogers app to check your signal strength. If it's weak, contact Rogers support. You can also dig into your modem's logs for error codes like T3, T4 timeouts or DHCP knacks. For RF interference, try moving your modem away from potential sources of noise. If problems persist, consider upgrading your modem, especially if it's an older model. Rogers' newer Ignite modems have AI diagnostics. Finally, explore switching to a fiber optic connection, if available, as fiber is less susceptible to RF interference and DHCP problems. And remember, persistent issues may require a call to Rogers support for professional assistance.